Your customers' feedback is pure gold, and the review link is your treasure map to finding it. It's the special URL you share with customers so they can easily leave a review about their experience with your business. In this video, we'll show you how to find, customize, and master this powerful tool within your HighFiveStar dashboard. First things first, how do you find your review link? It's easy. Just log into your HighFiveStar dashboard and click on Review Link in the left sidebar. Now, let's make it your own. You can customize the URL and the title that appears in the link preview to make it more inviting for your customers. You can also update the desktop image that customers see when they click the link. Just click on Desktop Image, then the pencil icon, and upload your image. For the best fit, a size of 720 by 900 pixels is perfect. One of the best features is the control you have over where your customers leave reviews. In the Platform Choice section, you can enable or disable different platforms like Google, Facebook, or Trustpilot. Simply select the ones you want to feature and click the green checkmark to save your changes. But what about negative feedback? The review link has a smart solution for that too. If a customer leaves a low-star review, we can automatically direct them to a negative experience page. This is a private space where they can share their concerns and contact information directly with you. You can then follow up to resolve the issue offline before they post a public review. You have full control over this feature with the negative filter threshold. For example, if you set the threshold to 3, any review with a score of 3 stars or less will be sent to that private feedback page. Any score higher than that will be directed to your public review pages. This helps you manage your online reputation proactively. We also have a private feedback page for customers who prefer to communicate with you directly, without leaving a public review at all. They can rate their experience and fill out a form to provide more detailed feedback. The review link is more than just a way to collect reviews. It's a powerful tool for managing your customer relationships and protecting your online reputation. With the right customization, it becomes an essential part of your business strategy, helping you gather valuable insights and turn a negative experience into a positive one.